Mini.
Mini.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Yeah, give me Knuckles. Yeah. Go sometime. Go.
Where's Miles?
I don't know. Have you seen him, Bailey?
No. Hi, Grandma.
Hello, Bailey. Your daddy loves you so much. Why don't you give your daddy the mini blizzard treatment?
Thank you so much. Hi, Dad.
Oh, hey, Bailey.
You're the greatest dad, and you just received the mini blizzard treatment.
Well, thank you, Bailey. I love you.
Love you too.